I want to do a quick demo here on how to take out and repair a screen panel. One here on the bottom. First, we're going to remove the spline from the track that goes along the bottom and along the side here, the rubber spline. Once the spline is removed from around the outside track, you can then pull the screen out. Cut the screen from top to bottom, leaving overhang on each side, and measure the width from left to right, making sure you use the correct screen in order to cover the distance between the uprights. We're gonna start here on the right side, start the screen, and then we're gonna go down the right side here, all the way down to the bottom. Pre-roll the screen in, and then push the spline in here. And then re-roll the screen in, and then push the spline in here. Here, and then we're going to pull tight on this side, pull the screen tight this way, and then pull tight, pull tight. So all the screen's pulling tight this way. So we pull down tight here to get this corner right. You gotta put the knife right in the corner and slice this way. That way you can start this corner and this corner. Pull tight this way to the left. And then also put the spline here and work your way out that way. To the left. And then you pull tight over here on this side and go that way to the right. I'm going to trim right on the edge here, cut the screen off, and then trim on this edge here. And that's it. The final step will be trim everything around the edges. And now the bottom panel's in. If you're interested in watching more of our videos, click the subscribe button and hit the bell. Come follow us on this journey.